My mom's yelling at my cat. Great. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a look that is, when I do these looks, I don't know how to like intro them because they're just random. It's what I thought of. I just kind of like a body paint. So this is my newest body paint. It is just something that I creatively sketched out and then put on my body. I have this like demon kind of thing on my chest. It kind of looks like a ram. I'm pretty sure it is a ram. I got inspired by an artist that I saw on Pinterest that painted it. I showed you in the beginning of the clip. I couldn't find who the artist was. I screenshotted it and then I went out of it, and then when I went back to Pinterest to try and find it, I couldn't find it anymore. So if you guys ever see that picture on Pinterest and could find the artist and let me know, that would be awesome, so I could give them obviously credit. If you guys would like to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so now we're gonna start. I don't know if I'm going to be voiceovering this video or if I'm going to be talking through it. It is a pretty, for what I've sketched out, it's a pretty in-depth look. She's pretty much queen. So I'm going to start sketching things out. This is gonna be a lot, but I'm hoping if I can pull this off that it's going to be freaking dope. So that's what I'm shooting for. Dopest thing I've ever done. So I put them on mute, but I'm calling Staples because I don't have purple glue stick. I used the last of it and it's done. So I'm asking my mom to go and get it while I do my chest. I've been looking for one for like 30 minutes because I thought I had more, but I don't. Hi. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow and just sketch out where I want the blackness to be. I brought that up onto my face. Like that. So I found this super dope picture painting on Pinterest of this black and white monster, and I don't really know who the artist is. I'm gonna actually try and look so I can give her credit. Oh no, I don't think I'm gonna find it again. I literally cannot find the artist that made this picture, but it is so cool. It is like this painting of this demon, and I will not be drawing it to the exact of what it is, but I'm obviously going to try. So if you guys can figure out who the artist is, that would be amazing. But I'm just gonna be sketching it out with some black eyeshadow. This is just going to be like a rough sketch of it. It's easy because this is going to be only in black and white, so it's going to be easy to highlight and shade. I'm going to try and draw the head first, and then I'll put where the body will be. Whoa, that looks scary. Don't like that. Whoa, that looks scary. Yeah! I'm gonna work on this for a little since it's already been 7 minutes. I'm gonna work on it for a little bit and then I'll explain what I did just because I'm scared that this is literally gonna be like, use all of my memory. So I'm just gonna work on this for a little bit off camera and I will be right back. Basically, the only thing I did off camera was the horns and I put some hair down here. Now I'm gonna finish where the head kind of like ends so I can make his ear. I'm gonna take a blending brush, but not like a really fluffy one, pretty precise. Mix a black eyeshadow also in with a gray one and just kind of shade around the whole thing because the whole thing is going to be dark. I'm doing the shading first and then I will go in and highlight it, and the highlighting is gonna make everything come together because there are a lot of highlights in it. I forgot my fan is on. Oh my god. Sorry, kitty girls. Alright, now we're gonna go to the background. I'm gonna make a tree. Now I'm just gonna take a gray eyeshadow and kind of just like shade it in different spots to make it look like the moon. Okay, so I'm going to paint the rest of the background gray. I gotta find a big old brush to do that. Mainly I'm gonna do white and then just a little bit of black. I'm gonna paint the inside of this the same color all around, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that this whole area is gray, I'm going to go around the edges with black to kind of shade it inwards like it's inside of my body, kind of. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'm gonna start off with water activated paint just because it's easiest to put down, and then I'll use cream paint to actually blend it into the gray. So now I'm gonna go in with some cream paint and blend that in towards the gray. Okay, so I blended the black into the gray. For the last part of the gray of the chest, I'm going to grab some white paint and just make some white dots. I think what I should do is put rainbow over here, since this is so black and white and rainbow. I think that would be the most cool thing to do, because y'all know I love colors. Get the black and white out of here. I'm sick of you for only a little bit until I have to go back to you for my face. I have red, orange, yellow, blue, green. I need purple. So let's go into the red. Let's put that over here. Let's go to orange next. Roy G. Biv. That's what it is. Orange. Here we go. I'm gonna do how I did red and orange over here. I'm gonna do the blue and purple over here, the same way I did over here, because I'm gonna do the yellow and the green on the face, yellow on this side, and then green over here. So I'm just gonna do the blue and the violet or purple, whichever purple you want to use. To save time, I will be right back with the blue and the violet meshed together on this side the same way that I did on this side. It kind of like looks like they're the same color, but they're actually not. It's purple going into a blue, but they're very close in color. But I'm gonna go into the face part of the gray part first. And I actually covered up my eyebrow. Not great again, but it's covered up. Oh, I gotta put the cap on this. My mom got me some glue. Love. So I think I'm just gonna paint my face the color of the chest, like the gray. I'm gonna do that first and then go into the detail after. On camera, my eyebrow coverage kind of looks good, but it's really not. Okay, I'm gonna take some black paint and start at the top of my forehead. This is gonna be as dark as I can, because this is gonna be obviously the darkest part of the storm clouds. Now I'm going to draw some storm clouds. Okay, so now that I finished that, I was going to put a lightning bolt in it, but they literally all look like lightning bolts, so I'm just gonna keep it like that, and I like it. So now we're gonna move on to this side, which is going to be yellow. Okay, we're going to try to attempt to, I'm gonna go in with this yellow first, and I'm going to try and put that right here, kind of blending it into the paint that is already yellow on my face. I have the Morphe 35B, but this is kind of smaller and more like easier. I just put it in my hand and like I have one brush. Now I'm gonna dip into this one and mix it with a little bit of this shade for the orange and kind of mesh that together and also bring that more towards that way. Now I'm gonna go in with this red. It is sparkly, but I don't care. Actually, I have the Huda Beauty palette out and it has the Man-Eater shade in there. So I'm gonna go in with that. Roy G, which would be green. Now we're gonna try and blend green into red. We'll see how this goes. Okay, let's go in with blue. I'm gonna mix together this one and that one. And then I'm gonna go in with this deep purple for the end of the crease. I'm just gonna wing it out all the way out here, because we're gonna cut the crease anyways. I might as well just bring it like that. Might as well, right? I'm gonna actually dip into the Morphe 35B palette really quick just to really enhance that orange because I feel like they didn't have a hot enough orange in the NYX palette. So I'm just gonna stick that right in here. Now I'm going to take the white paint and I'm going to cut out the crease. I'm gonna do like a full cut crease. And now I'm gonna try and do something wacky, even wackier than what's on my face now. I'm going to do the same thing that I did in my crease and I'm gonna try and create a liner with the same colors. So start off with some good old yellow. And then purple. That looks pretty cool. Okay, now to bring them under my lash line. And then some orange, and I don't have to do yellow because it's already on the inside of my corner. And then I took some black eyeliner and went underneath it with black paint. Now I'm going to pop on a pair of lashes on both sides of my eyes, and I will be right back. And to finish off the rest of this look, I'm just gonna go on with some green to finish this part of my cheek. I'm so excited. This has taken almost 7 hours. So that's great. Love that for me. Actually, I have to do the green and then I'm gonna fill in my brow over here and then I'll actually be done. I'm gonna go in with like a lime green and then I'm gonna actually like kind of contour my cheek a little bit since it is in like the contour region with like a dark green. And now I'm going to grab the Morphe 39A palette and go in with this green shade to contour out my cheek. While I'm at it, I'm gonna take this vibrant orange shade from the Morphe 35B palette and I'm going to contour out my forehead. I'm actually gonna go in with some red to really deepen the lines that are right here, kind of make them like fiery, you know what I mean? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this look, please like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions of what I should do next, any creative videos, any funny videos, any challenge videos, anyone you want to see more in my videos since I've had all my friends on my channel, leave it in the comment section below, or if you just want to chit chat with me, you can just go down there. I answer back to everyone's comments. I really appreciate you guys being here and staying till the end of the outro. I love you so much and I will check you in the next video. Bye!